Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet amazing project with seed beads. For work I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting and please join me. Let's crochet the work. Make a chain of 7 for the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make chain of 2. Then I'm going to work with seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Make half double crochet with seed bead into the foundation ring. In total it should be 12 of them. 1. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the ring, make half double crochet. 2, 3, 4, till you will get 12 half double crochet with seed bead. While doing my stitches, I remove long piece of yarn. Once I have done the last stitch, to complete this round, I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet a round of petals. Make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I am going to work with boolean block stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop. In total it should be 9. I'm done the first one, I need to do 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Insert the hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I insert the hook into the same stitch, make a slip stitch. My first petal is ready. Here what I have. I continue working on this round. Insert the hook through the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Then slip stitch through the next stitch. Let's crochet the second petal. I will start and you will continue with your own. All petals should be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through, make 5 chains. My boolean block stitch is almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make a slip stitch. The second petal is ready. Continue 2 slip stitches, 1 and 2, and I am starting the third petal. In total it should be 6 of them. I am done 2, you need to do 4 more. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Once I have done the last petal, insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. This slip stitch that I did on the beginning of this round. My second round is ready. Let's crochet round 3, it's gonna be the last round. Make a chain, work into the chain space, make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. There are 2 tops in the boolean block stitch. Let's count them, 1 and 2. Make 2 half double crochet in a row into these stitches. So it means I'm doing 2 half double crochet with seed bead twice into each of these 2. I'm done 2 half double crochet. So make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 and 2. Well done. Here what I have. Make 6 single crochet into the next chain space. I turn the work. There is the thread from boolean block stitch. I insert the hook into the chain space and this thread. In this case I will remove it. Make 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here what I have. My trim for the petal is ready. Let's crochet the trim for the next one. Insert the hook into the next chain space, make 6 single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw seed beads and make 4 half double crochet. Make 2 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 and 2. Then yarn over the hook with seed bead and make 2 half double crochet, 1 into the next stitch. Well done. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The second petal is ready. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Let's complete this round. I remind you this is the last round of my flower. And now I show you how to complete my flower. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, and to secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off the yarn. If you would like to make jewelry with this flower, you can leave a long piece of yarn. I will add a bead to the center of this flower, like this. I will remove all yarns along the stitches. This is the back side of the flower. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my cute small project is ready. My flower consists of 3 rounds only, plus round of trim. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook and seed beads. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me. See you next time. Bye!